Why not? That's what we're saying?
I know what one's wrong. This one is wrong.
Go ahead. Well, what did I just say? That you want to do something?
Something that you want all the people to... All the people, I mean... No, I am. I'm just trying to go back. All of the subscribers and our friends, you want them to ask me questions and I can answer them.
That's right. So leave...
I need more airtime.
We were thinking that you guys would have questions for the boyfriend. It can be questions about anything. Not like how to repair your car, because that's a whole nother subject. But I mean, just like...
How do I grow an awesome looking garden? Yeah, I can answer that kind of question.
Random.
Manure.
Ask him... Ask him whatever you want. So leave your questions down below, and he'll do a Q&A with you guys. Just him.
Absolutely.
How do you feel about that?
I can handle that.
I can't wait to hear the questions they ask.
I could probably wrap it up in a 15-minute video.
15 minutes.
I mean, after all, I could just do, complete silent awkwardness for the rest.
No. Anyway, you guys.
Awkward? Good.
There's a little bean behind us.
You got the awkward out of her.
So go ahead, guys. Leave your questions for him down below, okay? And then he'll do...
Like man questions. Not like all chickish questions.
Like 82% of you that watch us are women. So ask whatever you want.
That hurts.
You are so funny.
82%, really?
Yes.
We need to get our dude views up.
You need to start your own channel for that.
I don't know if
right now we're all about the chicks.
Apparently. Okay, people, leave something down below and I'll see what I can do. Okay. I'll call my people and we'll do lunch.